If you're building a high-performance PC and want a case that breathes style and power, the Corsair 4000D Airflow might just be your next obsession. Clean design, smart airflow, and builder-friendly features, this mid-tower is no ordinary shell. Let's dive into why this case has become a favorite among PC enthusiasts. First off, the 4000D Airflow nails the balance between minimalism and function. Its steel front panel not only looks sharp, it's built to last. With cutout ventilation channels running along the sides, it delivers that signature airflow without sacrificing aesthetics. It's all about keeping your components cool while turning heads. Inside, it's a builder's dream. The spacious interior supports up to 6 120mm fans or 4 140mm fans. And yes, radiator support is top tier. A 360mm in the front and a 280mm up top. Two pre-installed 120mm air guide fans come standard. These aren't your average fans. They feature anti-vortex vanes to direct airflow right where it matters most. Now let's talk about one of Corsair's standout features, the Rapid Route Cable Management System. You get a 25mm channel behind the motherboard tray and Velcro straps to route cables easily and neatly. Say goodbye to spaghetti cables and hello to clean, professional builds. Need storage? You're covered with support for two 2.5-inch SSDs and two 3.5-inch HDDs, plus flexible mounting options. Want to show off that beefy GPU? The 4000D is vertical GPU mount ready. Just add a riser cable and you're good to go. Front I/O includes a USB 3.1 Type-C port, USB 3.0, and a combo audio jack. Everything right where you need it. And the slide-on, slide-off tempered glass side panel, smooth, tool-free, and perfect for showing off your RGB masterpiece. The Corsair 4000D Airflow is more than just a case. It's the foundation for performance, cooling, and clean design. Whether you're a first-time builder or a seasoned PC modder, this chassis has the features and flexibility to match your ambition. Hit like if this case is on your wish list and subscribe for more epic PC gear breakdowns.